Do you need to understand the impact of code changes, discover the risk profile of code dependencies, or check for compliance across third-party licenses? With Moderne data tables, you can discover hidden truths and gain invaluable insights about the state of your code across any number of repositories. Data tables are an outcome of running search and transformation recipes against your codebase. The recipe run can emit rows of structured, aggregated data in real time based on simple schemas that the recipe defines. And the beauty of recipes is that they can be easily customized, enabling developers to program any data output desired. Let's take a look at an example of a data table that can help you understand your code better. The recipe called Find Spring API Endpoints enables you to find and holistically view all the Spring HTTP API endpoints definitions in your organization's codebase. By looking for all usage of a specific method, the data table produces code samples for each call, allowing you to see exactly how the API is being used in your codebase. Data tables are produced as Excel documents or CSV files that are easy to integrate into the data analytics tools you already use, enabling you to harness the power of analytics to view the hidden patterns, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions about your code. Let's walk through another example of a data table that delivers rich code analysis that helps keep your code secure. The Find and Fix Vulnerable Dependencies recipe is a software composition analysis capability that detects publicly disclosed vulnerabilities in your dependencies. When we run this specific recipe, it actually automates patch release bumps and simultaneously produces a data table that is not just informative, it's actionable. The data table from this recipe provides detailed information about the repositories and their vulnerabilities, including a summary of what the security vulnerability is based on in the GitHub Security Advisory database, the level of severity for each vulnerability, whether it is critical, high, moderate, or low, the number of direct or transitive dependencies where direct is the depth of 0 and transitive dependencies start at the depth of 1 and increment from there. You can also see if there is a version update available that fixes the vulnerability, and if it's a patch release or a more major release, which can indicate the level of work and risk involved to update. Now you have the data at your fingertips to decide when, how, and where to address the security vulnerabilities in your code. To learn more about Moderne data tables, check out our blog and documentation at moderne.io.